Ever wondered how a simple pose can tell a story? Let's dive into the art of posing, where standing, leaning, sitting, and movement create unique narratives for each individual. Ready to explore? Intentional posing isn't just about looking good, it's about expressing personality. Whether you're standing tall or spinning with joy, each pose captures a moment, a feeling, a story. Let's make it memorable. Lighting can make or break a photo. Natural light is your best friend, especially during the golden hour. Avoid harsh sunlight, instead seek out shaded spots for that soft, flattering glow. Ever noticed how overcast days create the perfect lighting? Clouds act like nature's diffuser, softening shadows and enhancing colors. Remember, it's all about keeping the light behind the camera for stunning portraits. Patterns add depth to photos. Think bridges, fences, and brick walls for unique compositions. These elements guide the viewer's eye and create a sense of intrigue and texture. Nature offers simplicity and innocence. Gardens, with their vibrant colors, provide a serene backdrop. Use natural elements to evoke a sense of calm and authenticity in your portraits. Combine posing, lighting, and backgrounds for a cohesive portrait. Experiment with prompts to capture genuine laughter and expressions. It's about telling their unique story through your lens. Ready to create stunning portraits? By mastering these techniques, you'll capture the essence of each individual. Now grab your camera and start telling stories through your photos.